Hu Tianming, stomach meridian, qi chong, qi rushing. Qi chong, surging qi, level with the pubic symphysis and conception vessel 2, 2 shun, lateral to the midline, just superior to the inguinal ligament on the medial side of the femoral artery. 5 shun inferior to the umbilicus. Clinical relevance. Although one's acupuncture needle should not reach the spermatic cord, stomach 29 overlies this important structure. As such, point activation with electroacupuncture, manual therapy, needle manipulation, or laser therapy may influence the function and blood supply of the cord's contents. That is, the vessels may dilate, the nerves may modulate, and myofascial elements relax. The result would likely lead to improved testicular function and reproductive capacity. Stomach 30, Qi Chong, Qi rushing, surging Qi, penetrating Qi, Qi's breakthrough, Qi thoroughfare, ship's droppings. Crossing point of the Chong Mai, penetrating vessel with Ren and Du Mai, point of the sea of nourishment, regulates Chong Mai as an important point on the stomach meridian. Through its crossing with Chong Mai, it links pre-heavenly qi, the kidneys, and post-heavenly qi, which is the stomach and the spleen, and can strengthen the whole system, promoting the restoration of kidney essence, the Jing. This makes it a wonderfully freeing and restorative points of the body, mind, and spirit of earth. Stomach 30 and 36 together from the sea of nourishment, they are called upon where there is long-term severe malnutrition and depletion of the stomach and spleen or digestive stagnation. The great reservoir or sea of nourishment and the strong coursing action of both points can help bring relief. Stomach 30 reinforces stomach and spleen's role in the formation of qi and blood and rotting, ripening, and transformation. The nature of Chong Mai is powerful, combining both a yin nourishing aspect and a yang surging of qi from its mix with Ren and Du Mai. This point can be used alone or to give further emphasis to the opening and coupled point of Chong Mai. If there's a depression and stagnation for long-term blood deficiency or heartbreak from a lack of harvest in a relationship, this point can be used to reinvigorate while restoring nourishing blood for the shen to house itself. In this instance, you might combine it with the yin wei mai, which also tonifies the blood, especially if there is sleeplessness or palpitations and anxiety as well. Regulates qi and blood in the lower jaw and can be used for abdominal masses, swelling of the genitals, retention of placenta. Regulates the stomach's qi, stimulates the digestive system, regulates blood, especially stagnant blood in the uterus, regulates groin area and genital problems. The powerful qi of the stomach 30 raises qi. Together with the stomach and spleen controlling of the descending and ascending of qi, it is helpful in regulating the qi in situations like prolapse. From its position at the juncture of the body and legs and its lower pathway down the medial aspect of the legs, it can be used to promote circulation, promotes essence, and thus can help impotence. Indications: to restore movement and vitality from depletion, pain and swelling of the external genitalia, uterine prolapses, infertility and impotence, retention of placenta, moves stagnation of blood, empirical point for food poisoning. Crossing point of Renmai and Chongmai, point of the sea of nourishment. This powerful point can help with genital and sexual disorders such as infertility and impotence, often combined with stomach 36, which together form the Sea of Nourishment, and which can be wonderful for nourishing the body and mind where there has been a history of chronic malnutrition. Genitourinary and reproductive problems points are stomach 30, stomach 36, spleen 6, vessel 3, conception vessel 4, bladder 23, bladder 25, bladder 28. Evidence-based applications. Acupuncture at stomach 30 may impact reproductive function through its effect on afferent sensory signal transmission via the ilioinguinal nerve, which serves the roots of the penis and the scrotum. A case series reported that massage at stomach 30 effectively resolves hydrocele. Acupuncture at stomach 30, stomach 36, spleen 4, spleen 6, liver 3, kidney 3, LI 4, and pericardium 6, plus moxibustion at bladder 13, bladder 22, bladder 23, bladder 52, conception vessel 3, conception vessel 4, conception vessel 5, conception vessel 6, conception vessel 19, lung 9, and large intestine 14 significantly increase this percentage of normal sperm in patients with idiopathic oligoasthenoterozoospermia OAT syndrome. Following a series of acupuncture treatments, men with poor quality sperm experienced a significant increase in fertility index following improvements in the parameters of total functional sperm fraction, present viability, total motile, spermatozoa per ejaculate, and integrity of the axonema. 12 acupuncture points from the following group were selected accordingly to patient presentation: lung 7, large intestine 4, large intestine 11, stomach 30, stomach 36, spleen 6, spleen 9, spleen 10, heart 7, bladder 20, bladder 23, bladder 33, kidney 6, kidney 7, pericardium 6, liver 5, liver 8, conception vessel 1, conception vessel 2, conception vessel 4, conception vessel 6, and governing vessel 4. Thank you for your attention.